Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices so changes apply immediately. Plug the watch in or confirm it has 20% plus battery, because updates can stall when low. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and open the Watch Companion app. Pairing must be active to sync time. Once done, verify the app shows your watch online and the model name. This ensures settings you change on the phone will be pushed to the watch without delay. You now change the time source inside the companion app or directly on the watch. Go to Settings, then Date and Time. Choose Automatic to use your phone or network, which fixes offsets instantly. If you need a manual time, set the correct hour and minute and confirm AM/PM if relevant. After adjusting, press Sync or Save and watch for the success message. If the watch shows syncing, the new time should replace the old value within a few seconds. You finish by confirming the displayed time on the watch matches your phone and real-world clock. If it still shows the wrong time, restart the watch and phone. Simple reboots often clear sync caches. Make sure your phone uses the correct time zone and turn off VPNs that lock location. If problems persist, unpair the watch, reset network settings on the phone, then repair. This refreshes the connection and usually resolves remaining time sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.